Oculta Studio, we create experiences. In a world saturated with brands competing for attention, standing out is no longer about simply offering products or services, it's about crafting moments that resonate deeply with people. Oculta Studio has mastered this art. With its mantra "We create experiences," the studio doesn't just design visuals or produce content, it builds immersive narratives that leave lasting impressions on audiences. By blending creativity, innovation, and emotional intelligence, Oculta Studio redefines what it means to connect with consumers in today's fast-paced digital age. At the heart of Oculta Studio lies a simple yet profound philosophy: experiences are more powerful than transactions. In an era where technology dominates our interactions, there is a growing craving for authenticity and connection. People don't want to be sold to, they want to feel something. They crave stories they can relate to, spaces they can inhabit emotionally, and moments they will remember long after the initial encounter. This belief drives every project undertaken by Oculta Studio. Whether designing a brand identity, curating an event, or developing multimedia campaigns, the team approaches each task as an opportunity to tell a story. These stories aren't superficial advertisements but carefully woven tapestries of emotion, culture, and purpose. Each experience is tailored to evoke curiosity, spark joy, or inspire action, transforming passive observers into active participants. One of Oculta Studio's greatest strengths is its multidisciplinary approach. Rather than confining itself to a single medium or industry, the studio thrives at the intersection of design, storytelling, technology, and human behavior. This versatility allows them to adapt seamlessly to diverse client needs while maintaining their signature touch of excellence. For instance, when working with a fashion label, Oculta Studio might create not only stunning visuals for social media but also conceptualize pop-up installations that transport customers into the brand's universe. For a tech startup, they could develop interactive websites and apps that blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, ensuring users enjoy both utility and delight. No matter the sector, the goal remains consistent: to craft experiences that engage all senses and foster meaningful connections. The studio's ability to integrate various disciplines stems from its collaborative spirit. Its team comprises designers, writers, strategists, developers, and artists who bring unique perspectives to the table. Together, they brainstorm ideas, challenge assumptions, and push boundaries until they arrive at solutions that are innovative yet grounded in reality. Technology plays a pivotal role in how Oculta Studio brings experiences to life. From augmented reality, AR, to virtual reality, VR, the studio leverages cutting-edge tools to blur the line between imagination and reality. These technologies allow them to create dynamic environments where users can explore, interact, and immerse themselves fully. Consider one of their recent projects, a VR exhibit for a museum celebrating indigenous cultures. Visitors were invited to step inside a virtual village, complete with 3D rendered artifacts, ambient sounds, and guided storytelling. The result? An unforgettable journey that educated and inspired attendees far beyond what traditional displays could achieve. Such initiatives demonstrate how Oculta Studio uses technology not merely as a gimmick, but as a conduit for deeper engagement. Moreover, the studio stays ahead of trends by continuously experimenting with emerging platforms like AI-driven personalization and blockchain-based ownership models. Their forward-thinking mindset ensures that clients remain relevant in an ever-evolving landscape. Emotional intelligence as a guiding principle. What truly sets Oculta Studio apart is its emphasis on emotional intelligence. Understanding human emotions, their nuances, triggers, and expressions, is central to creating impactful experiences. Every campaign begins with extensive research into the target audience's desires, pain points, and aspirations. This empathetic approach enables the studio to craft messages that resonate authentically. Take, for example, a wellness brand seeking to promote mindfulness practices. Instead of bombarding potential customers with statistics or sales pitches, Oculta Studio designed a serene online hub featuring calming visuals, meditative soundscapes, and bite-sized tips for self-care. The response was overwhelming. Users reported feeling genuinely supported and motivated to adopt healthier habits. It wasn't just marketing, it was care packaged as an experience. As we move further into an experience-driven economy, Oculta Studio is poised to lead the charge. Their unwavering commitment to innovation, empathy, and sustainability positions them as pioneers in their field. Yet, they remain humble, always eager to learn and grow alongside their clients and collaborators. "We create experiences" isn't just a tagline, it's a promise. A promise to transform ordinary moments into extraordinary memories, to turn fleeting encounters into lifelong affiliations, and to remind us all of the magic that happens when creativity meets intention. In doing so, Oculta Studio not only elevates brands but enriches lives, one experience at a time. Oculta Studio embodies the future of branding and communication. By prioritizing experiences over transactions, embracing technology responsibly, and championing inclusivity and sustainability, they set a benchmark for others to follow. In a world hungry for meaning, Oculta Studio proves that the power of experience is unmatched, and that true success lies in touching hearts, not just minds.